Blake Lively's legal battle with director Justin Baldoni heats up ahead of trial. The high-profile legal dispute between acclaimed actress Blake Lively and director Justin Baldoni continues to escalate, with recent court developments signaling that the battle is far from over. According to court documents obtained by People magazine on July 7, 2025, Blake Lively is scheduled to be deposed on July 17, marking a significant new chapter in the protracted case that has captivated entertainment circles and the public alike. This deposition will require Lively to answer questions under oath, a key moment that could greatly influence the course of the case. The latest updates emerged after Lively's legal team issued subpoenas to two publicists linked to Baldoni, prompting the opposing legal counsel to seek additional time to provide requested documents. Emails reviewed in the case confirmed that the actress's deposition is firmly set for mid-July, underscoring the seriousness with which both parties are preparing for the forthcoming trial. Background of the case. The origins of this bitter legal fight trace back to December 2024, when Blake Lively publicly filed a lawsuit against Justin Baldoni. The actress accused the director of sexual harassment, creating a hostile work environment, and orchestrating a targeted smear campaign against her. Lively's allegations struck a chord in Hollywood, sparking conversations about workplace conduct and the dynamics between actors and directors. Justin Baldoni, known for his work on films such as It Ends With Us, promptly denied the allegations. In a bold countermove, he filed a countersuit against Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, and her longtime publicist. Baldoni sought $400 million in damages, claiming defamation and other grievances. However, in June 2025, a judge dismissed Baldoni's countersuit, stating that it lacked sufficient grounds to proceed. Despite this setback, the overarching lawsuit remains active, with both sides gearing up for a full trial scheduled to take place in New York in March 2026. Legal maneuvers and depositions. The deposition set for July 17 represents a crucial phase in the pretrial discovery process. Depositions allow lawyers from both sides to question witnesses and parties involved in the case under oath, recording their testimonies for use in court. Blake Lively's testimony will be particularly significant, as it could either strengthen her claims or open the door for new challenges by Baldoni's defense team. Brian Friedman, Baldoni's lead attorney, has been vocal about his strategy. Speaking to TMZ Live on June 10, Friedman made it clear that he intends to rigorously cross-examine Lively. "I'm gonna ask her questions under penalty of perjury, and she's gonna have to provide evidence," he stated. Friedman also highlighted the extensive evidence his team has gathered, including video footage, text messages, and emails. He emphasized the importance of consistency between Lively's testimony and the documented facts, suggesting that any discrepancies could be pivotal. Meanwhile, Lively's legal team has been equally assertive. The subpoenas issued to Baldoni's publicists indicate a determination to uncover additional evidence that could support the actress's allegations and counter Baldoni's narrative. The publicist's involvement could potentially shed light on communications and actions behind the scenes, offering a fuller picture of the dispute's scope. Implications for Hollywood and public perception. The dispute between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni transcends a typical legal battle between two entertainment industry figures. It touches on broader themes of power, respect, and accountability in Hollywood. Lively, celebrated for her roles in Gossip Girl and various blockbuster films, has a strong public image that could be affected by the trial's outcome. Similarly, Baldoni's reputation as a filmmaker and actor may face scrutiny depending on the trial's revelations. The case also highlights the evolving climate in the entertainment industry regarding harassment and workplace ethics. Since the #MeToo movement gained momentum, there has been increased awareness and less tolerance for misconduct in professional settings. Legal cases like this one are seen by many as tests of the system's ability to handle such allegations fairly and transparently. What to expect moving forward? As the trial date approaches, all eyes will be on the deposition scheduled for July 17. Observers anticipate intense questioning and possibly new disclosures that could influence public opinion and legal strategy. Following the deposition, both parties will continue gathering evidence, preparing witnesses, and refining their arguments. The March 2026 trial in New York promises to be a high-stakes event. Both sides are expected to present compelling testimonies, documentary evidence, and witness accounts. Given the complexity of the case and the prominence of those involved, the trial could draw significant media coverage and public interest. In the meantime, Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni remain focused on their legal teams and the courtroom process, with both sides adamant about defending their positions. The outcome will not only affect their careers but may also have lasting implications on how similar cases are handled in Hollywood and beyond.